Hey guys, today let's learn how to verify Cash App or how to verify your identity on Cash App. So if in the case that you want to go ahead and get verified on the Cash App application, how do you necessarily do this? Is there a step-by-step method? Yes, there is. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys just how, so please watch this video until the end. Okay, so the first step is to go ahead, of course, and launch your Cash App applications. As you see, once you launch your Cash App applications, you're going to see this option. Of course, it's going to depend on from device to device, depending on what specific version of Cash App you were using. But generally, this is what you should see. Okay, so the next step is to basically, from here, to go ahead and just basically pay for somebody. So just go ahead and enter any amount. Let's just use $1 for this example. Go ahead and tap on Pay or Request. Either way, you're still going to be prompted with the verification prompt. Of course, once you tap on once you tap on Request or Pay, you're going to be prompted, or a specific pop-up will show up needing you to verify your identity. And how do you do that? Well, just follow the step-by-step procedure, because all we need to do in there is to enter the required details. I'm pretty sure that you're going to need to enter your birth date and maybe your name. And I'm also sure that you're going to be, or rather you're going to be needing to enter your social security number. Now, those are the necessary factors that Cash App actually needs in order for you to verify your identity on Cash App. And once you have entered everything that Cash App needs, it's going to go ahead and confirm that, and you're now going to be verified on the Cash App application. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.